like a preacher. Baby probably still saying reefer.
Oh, shit. Forgot I made YouTube videos, but I'm back. I got a new car, basically, so things are changing. This behind me, this is my new spot. This is where I'm gonna be working on my cars from now on. And I got my dream car. So right now behind me, you've seen it before on the channel, this is my 350Z. It's in this area right now, my new little spot, because I need to do some work to it, right? That's pretty much it. I need to do some work to it. But I came here because I needed to grab some jumper cables so I can go back home, and that's where my new car is. But I think the battery's dead, and all I want to do today is wash it and show it to you guys because it's never been on the channel and it's new. I got it less than a month ago, and it was here at first. Then I drove it home for the first time on Monday, but it's dirty from when I towed it home because, you know, on a trailer, in the rain, snow, Ontario, these cars get nasty. So I want to wash it, and that's what we're gonna do. So let me just kind of show you the new spot. I'll show you the 350Z because it's sitting pretty right here behind me. And then we'll head home and you can see the new car. But we gotta go get some stuff first. I want to go to the store and I want to grab some new, you know, rags and probably a new wash bucket because the one I have is nasty, and I care about this new car a lot, and I care about all my cars a lot. And if I'm gonna be washing them this summer, I need some new wash equipment. So yeah, let's go, I guess. Oh, by the way, I've never showed the winter beater any love. Yeah, it's a Mark IV TDI. Nothing special. Last year I had a 98 Accord. I liked it way more than this thing, but this is good on gas, I guess. Anyway, this is it. Looks kind of empty right now because because it's empty. But yeah, got a nice little unit here. I'm gonna bring all my tools from home, all my stuff, equipment, set up shop, you know, and this is where I'm gonna be working on my cars from now on. This is definitely more than enough room because where I was working before in my garage was probably the same width as this, but this is like 8 feet deeper than my garage. So I have lots of room. Pulling engines, swaps, building anything is not gonna be tough in here for me. So pretty hyped. I think it's pretty dope. Build content coming soon because now I actually have a comfortable spot to work. So that means more videos for once. And this time I'm not capping. I'm actually gonna make more videos. Is it door locked? Man, I love this car. It's been parked all winter, so I haven't even driven it. Damn, dude. I love this car. It's so nice. There's some drift clips that I've posted, so you better go watch them because this is a drift car, okay? This is a drift car. This is my race car. Go watch my videos of me racing this thing. So yeah, that's a new spot, but it's time to grab this stuff that I need and let's get out of here. Let's go, let's shut up. I'm just gonna run in. There's no need for me to bring my whole ass camera in there, so I'll be right back. Okay, bro. I see you. I'm just kidding. It's a vert. Okay. That was an iced out tow truck. Damn. All right, let me show you what I got. Quick unbagging. Yes, I'm back in my garage and the car's right next to me, but I'm actually not gonna show it to you until we're washing it. And I'm not gonna talk about it until it's washed. So, rags, drying towel. Gel car wash. Washing mitt, of course. Gotta have a washing mitt. And my crusty, trusty wash bucket. So let's fill this up with water, get the car, you know, outside of the garage and everything like that, and just clean it. Ignore that rattling sound when I pulled out. It's literally just the heat shield. But here it is. Bam! This is my 1990 Nissan 240SX, bone stock. But before I even get into it, I just want to wash the car. The lighting kind of sucks out here, honestly. I don't know, it's like half shade and half sun on my driveway, so I can't get good lighting. But regardless, this here's the car. Let me wash it and charge my camera battery. Yeah, so I'm gonna start washing the car. I wanted to film some of me washing it, but my battery's about to die on my camera, so I can't. So let me just wash it, and then when I'm done washing it, hopefully my camera battery's charged, and then I can talk about the car. Maybe say a little bit of my plans, but let's just start washing this thing, honestly. I'm wasting time. So it's washed. It looks really good. My battery was dead, like I said, so I couldn't film any of it, but basically, let's take a quick little walk around of this thing. I'll tell you what my plans are for it, and then I'll probably end off the video because I can't drive the car, it's not registered, so I can't really do anything other than show it to you. Alright, so this, like I said, is my 1990 Nissan 240SX. It's pretty damn perfect. It's also not perfect at the same time, but it is in bone stock and the rust is very little, especially up here in Ontario. That goes a long way because all the cars up here are normally rust buckets. But yeah, it's got 62,000 original miles. The car was a US car, it came from Vermont. Previous owner imported up here a few months back and actually never registered it. So he messaged me because I made an ad saying I was looking for a 240SX, and he told me he had this car. So went over, picked it up, got a good deal on it, and it's in great condition for what it is. Now, a few things. The hood, as you can already see, the clear coat is, I don't know, non-existent, so I'll get the hood painted. That's really no big deal. The roof is kind of the same way. Actually just looks the way it looks right now because half is wet, half is not. But the roof and the hood are the only parts where the paint isn't really the best. The rest of the car is honestly pretty good. For example, you can see my reflection, and I assume it's never been buffed, polished, compounded, anything since you know, the original owner had it. But yeah, let's go inside. So as you can see, I know everyone looked straight to the gear shifter. Yes, it's auto, but it won't be auto forever. Because of course, it's a 240. Who's gonna keep a 240 stock? Oh boy. Anyway, yeah, like I said, 62,000 miles. It's got a full interior, back seats all the way down to the privacy cover. It's pretty mint. Of course, you can't have a 240 without a bit of a crack in the dash. Standard stuff, standard stuff. Manual windows, power seat belts. And yeah, of course, it's a KA24E. I might as well show you under the hood. Let's take a peek. Damn, son. I love this car so much. I love all my cars, man. I wouldn't buy them, I guess, if I didn't love them, right? So let's pop the hood, show you what's going on under here. Right, all stock, but all there. Honestly, it looks way worse on camera than it does through my own eyes. It's pretty nice and clean under here. The single cam, of course, isn't gonna last. I'll pull it out eventually. Looks like this was home to maybe a few mice or rats at one point. No big deal. Of course, it being an S chassis, I won't be keeping it stock. I am gonna do my little tasteful mods first. I kind of have a plan for aesthetics. I really like the idea of just a simple coilovers, wheels, full Type X kit, bumper, side skirts, rear valences, and Type X tails, of course. And then for the powertrain, I don't know exactly what I want to do yet, so I don't want to say it on camera. Of course, an SR would be sweet. A 1JZ would also be sweet. A KAT would also be pretty sweet. So we're gonna have to do some pondering before I decide what it is I'm gonna do with the interior of the car. I mean, before I decide what it is I'm gonna do with the engine. Interior, of course, very simple stuff. I like a nice wheel, so I'm probably gonna get a I don't know, something classy. I like the Vertex stuff. Some buckets, maybe some red Recaros, brides, who really knows, but it's gonna need some seats. And then I just want to enjoy the car. I do plan to keep this one for a long time because, like I said, it is what I would call my dream car. So that means I don't want to do the mods too fast because I want to be able to take some time and just drive and enjoy the car. Okay, so I just want to end off this video by saying a couple things. It is becoming springtime here in Ontario. So what that means is drift season is right back around the corner. So I got some things I need to do to the Z to get it ready for the drift season. I drifted all last year. I probably only missed like 3 events, and unfortunately I just didn't vlog any of it, but I'm excited to do that this year. So hope you stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe because the videos, they're coming back. The videos, they're coming back, and hopefully for real this time and to stay. So let's get this car in the... Let's get the car in the garage.
In a 40, spin on your shorty, don't do Bacardi. Bust up in yata, open your mata, shoot up the party.